Since large language models, text-to-speech, and voice cloning AI technologies have become increasingly advanced, many anime fans have had this idea: it's time to bring my waifu into the real world. For example, Dipal has developed their AI character pod where you can house every one of your waifus and connect them to various LLMs, including your own, so she can do anything you want. More importantly, even though the Dipal D1 is still a prototype with some unfinished features, it remains the most polished AI-powered companion device I've ever seen. As American computer scientist Alan Kay once said, people who are really serious about software should make their own hardware. Clearly, Dipal strongly agrees with this philosophy. Just from its appearance, you can tell that the Dipal D1 has invested significant effort into its hardware, especially this screen. This 8-inch display is a curved, OLED, touch-enabled, over 2K resolution, peak brightness over 900 nits premium panel. Longtime viewers of our channel will know that the screens with these specs are extremely expensive and typically only found on foldable phones, cost $1,000. While we won't be watching HDR content here, using a high-end flexible OLED screen offers many advantages. For example, it provides superior color uniformity and contrast, making your waifus more lifelike. Another key benefit is reflection handling. Other brands' character pods use LCD screens with a curved glass layer on top to simulate a pod-like enclosure, which often results in annoying reflections between the glass and the display. In contrast, the Dipal D1's OLED screen is a single matte panel, virtually eliminating visibility issues caused by glare. The touch capability also opens up more interactive possibilities. You can directly tap or drag the character to interact with her. Dipal has even programmed 10 different sets of animations across the character's body to make her movements more natural and human-like. To ensure no seams or bezels would block the character, the Dipal D1 is designed as a cylindrical device. The top houses several control buttons, while the front features both an RGB camera and an infrared camera. A magnetic cover is included to protect your privacy when close. At the base, hidden RGB LED lights are discreetly integrated. The back panel contains only 2 ports. One is the dual-purpose USB-C port that handles both data transfer and charging, meaning it's compatible with any 30-watt PD 3.0 charger and cable, and includes an internal battery that provides several hours of cordless operation. The other port is the long missing 3.5mm headphone jack intended for connecting higher quality external speakers. If you're not a tech geek and still don't quite understand how impressive the Dipal D1 is, that's okay. When I slowly tilt my head, you will immediately see its magic. The space where the character stands actually changes in real time along with my angle of sight. Since it's powered by a 7nm high-performance processor and equipped with the top-mounted cameras, the Dipal D1 achieves real-time facial and eye tracking. This ensures accurate spatial perspective from any viewing angle, mirroring real-world optics. By taking advantage of this feature, you can finally act out those long-imagined scenarios like this.
何をしてるんだ?この変態?
Well, the evil plan failed, but at least it proved the system's boundless potential. Another area with endless possibility is her memory. She keeps up to 2 million characters of text, remembers every movie title, song name, and important date you've mentioned. Yesterday, I told her about my favorite anime and my birthday. Now let's test if she recalls. Hey Pearl, can you tell me again which one is my favorite anime and which day is my birthday?
Your favorite enemies are the hentai prince and the stony cat. And your birthday is on February 24th. I've got a good memory for these important things about you. Is there anything else you'd like to share with me?
That's all, thanks.
You're welcome. If you ever want to chat about anime, sports, or just have a fun time, Don't hesitate to come to me. I'm always here to share the positive vibes with you.
Actually, besides Pearl, you can also switch to different characters. You can upload any character model to the Dipal D1, whether they are wearing clothes or not. One of Dipal D1's biggest advantages is the partnership with Playbox, China's leading 3D model platform. On this site, you can easily search and download 3D models of characters from games like Genshin Impact or Snowbreak Containment Zone. Then upload them directly to your device in one seamless process. In the future, Dipal plans to collaborate with more global platforms and VTubers to bring officially licensed models, animations, and voice packs to the D1. Who knows, maybe one day your favorite character will be available in this character pod. If you can't wait, you can make it on your own and bring your favorite character to life right here. The Dipal D1 support multiple languages, voice cloning, and switching between different large language models. It even comes with a built-in temperature and humidity sensors that can adjust your smart AC based on the environment. Yes, it's also compatible with the Matter-enabled smart home devices. Time to say goodbye to Alexa. Some features like proactive greetings, emotional responses, a dedicated mobile app, and AI generated by text are harder to demonstrate on this prototype, so you will have to experience them yourself when the retail version launches. Don't forget to check the link below if you are interested. As I mentioned at the beginning, the Dipal D1 is the most fully developed AI-powered companion device I've ever tried. It doesn't just cover all the basic features found in similar products. Its software and hardware capabilities far surpasses their competition. Frankly, apart from Dipal themselves, I can't imagine any companion device that could outperform the D1. Alright Pearl, do you have anything to say to our audience?
Hey everyone, keep being awesome and never stop following your passions. Whether it's a love for dance, like me, or any other hobby, pour your heart into it. Let's all strive to make the world a more positive and inclusive place. And always remember, you're capable of achieving great things. If you ever need a bit of motivation or just want to chat, I'm here for you.
Impressive, right? Alright guys, this is Waifu from Gizmochina. Catch you next one.